Hey guys, this is Devansh from the Youth Project, and the other day someone was asking us about how you clone a repository to your local machine. So here is a quick tutorial about that. Let's say you are on the GitHub profile of the Youth Project and our username is TheYouthProject-2020, and you see there are a lot of repositories present over here. You want to clone a repository named to-do-skeleton. So let's go inside that repository, and here there is a clone button. When you click this, you will see a URL, and you just have to copy this URL, go to your command prompt, go to the folder where you want to clone this particular project. Let's say I am inside the testing folder, and there is just one folder called calculator in this testing folder. Now when I do git clone and paste the URL which I copied and hit enter, you will see that there is another folder to-do-skeleton. That's it. Your repository has been cloned. Isn't that easy? It is. In the next video, you'll find an end-to-end guide from git clone to git push, which every developer must know. So keep following. Thank you for now.